I have a deck screw as a door handle in my car. So you can see over here, we've got a normal door handle. It's a normal plastic door handle, nothing weird about that. But then over here, we have a tan deck screw door handle. So basically, I've had this car for a long time, and I was getting out of my car one day, pulled that handle, and it just snapped off. The plastic snapped off, and so spent a couple days just shoving my finger in here and pulling out this one spot real good in order to let myself in and out of the car. But then I was just like, I wonder if it would fit in that crack. If a little screw would fit in there. And actually it's perfect right in there. I just used my drill and put the deck screw in there, and now it has been functioning for 1.5 years as a perfectly normal door handle with no issues. So I just open my door super easily, no problem, super easy, barely an inconvenience. So if your door handle breaks off in your car, consider putting a deck screw in there before spending money to get it fixed. It might just be a super easy fix, especially if you have deck screws laying around. And if you don't, just take one out of your deck and hope no one steps in that spot.